Now, the last raga is Bhairavi, has to be played under all traditional ways, and is a raga that is in praise of the power of, we can say, of the spirit, because it is it has such beautiful notes and notes which are, it's a complete, sampurna, it's a complete raga, it's a purnima. All the 12 notes are in it. So, you see, it is such a complete raga and it has to be played in all due respect to it.
And it is a ragini Shimada.
It's a ragini regarded as, you see, because with the bara. Now, as you know that the heart chakra has got 12 petals, and the Durga resides on the heart chakra. Now, the Durga's qualities are that she is protective of her children, she is very gentle, very soft with her children, and she is extremely horrifying to the satanic people, to the negative people. So in this raga, I think because it's spaced out. The notes are spaced out. So either you could play it slow or you could play it fast, nothing in between. That's why it is on a Durga style. You see, either she's extremely gentle or she's extremely horrifying. So because she has a double function, is one to look after her children and another is protect her children from the demons. So she has to be very quick about it, to fight them and to, in every way, to frighten them and to be alert about it. So in the second part, you all became very alerted, I saw. The first part, you were having a lullaby because it was the mother's love that was playing. But the second part, you became alert because she has to fight. Now, this is such a nice raga because it gives you a better sense of security within yourself, builds up sense of security. And also, as you know, medically, that it's important to build up this chakra because that gives you antibodies created more. So to fight all the diseases, to fight all the foreign things which try to attack us. So this raga is so apt, absolutely apt for today's atmosphere and for today's need, that we have to have the security of the mother and the protection of the mother, and that all the evil forces must be finished from this world. And that's how this raga has a very great significance, and I thank him very much for filling this raga. This is the now last 5 minutes he would like to play is the Bhairavi, which is a complete raga, as we can call it, the complete Purnima. All the notes are there. And it is played in various ways and various styles, and is used for so many expressions of your feelings and things. But in this also there's a beautiful one of a song, as you know, Dayani Bhavani is the one, which is a song about the mother goddess. And in this one, Dayani Bhavani, I think there's a little mixture in the, I don't know if it is absolutely pure Bhairavi or not. Shuddha Bhairavi. It is to be played absolutely in Shuddha Bhairavi. But Manat nahi. नहीं बाबा मिक्सअप करता It should be played in absolutely pure शुद्ध भैरवी में बजाना चाहिए.
ये दयानी भवानी शुद्ध भैरवी में ही है.
नहीं आपल्या ह्याच्यात आहे पण गाताना जैसे मैंने एक रिकॉर्ड सुना था उसमें वो शुद्ध भैरवी में नहीं था. So मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा सा उन्होंने डिविएट कर दिया. It should be played in pure Bhairavi. This is the best way. Because Bhairavi is the name of the goddess. So
जब
that
मैं
would be
वो
the.
बजाऊंगा मैं आपको शुद्ध भैरवी में
हाँ, वही
सुनाऊंगा।
मैं कह रही हूँ कि शुद्ध भैरवी में ही बजाइएगा. So
बिल्कुल वो
you
मैं
see
शुद्ध
the
भैरवी
purity of it creates that feeling and that I mean it awakens that deity so that you get that effect with the Bhairavi. क्योंकि शुद्धता के बगैर आप जागरूक नहीं कर सकते. हाँ? हाँ? तो बदल तो था. हाँ, ये कह रहे हैं कि हम बदल देते हैं, कह रहे हैं कि my sister is accepting that they make a little mistake in the शुद्धता. हाँ, आप शुद्ध मध्यम में रहिएगा. हाँ, which I detected. You see, I am not such a musician as you are, but I did detect that there's a little bit भैरवी में फिसल रहा.
क्या है, मैं जो भैरवी बजाता हूँ वो 12 सुरों की बजाता हूँ,
हाँ.
लेकिन जब जय दयानी भवानी जो है वो मैं शुद्ध भैरवी में बजाऊंगा.
हाँ, शुद्ध
आपको
में.
फिर बंदिश सुनाऊंगा.
हाँ, शुद्ध भैरवी. मतलब तो बांधने पर है, जैसा बांधिए.
सही बात.
बांधने पर. Indian music has such a lot of freedom. I mean, such a lot of freedom. You can do what you like with it, but only thing that you have to keep to the ragas and you have to keep to the swaras and everything. And we cannot just go crazy from one to another like that. So it is like a big aeroplane which is going in the air with everything completely fixed properly. See, so it can go anywhere. Unless and until it is fixed, it has its own maryadas, it cannot go. So that has to be there. So first the ragas are built in such a way they are absolutely perfect. And then you can go wherever you feel like. Nothing will happen. ये अपने इसका वो है, खास चीज़ है इंडियन म्यूजिक की. इसकी जो है राग बंधे हुए हैं और उस राग को आप कहीं भी फिर उछालिए, कोई हर्ज नहीं, पर बंधे हुए राग है. रागाना बंधन है, नियम आहे, बंधन आहे. कारण बंधनाशिवाय तुम्ही जर उड्या मारल्या तर त्याचं हे होऊन जाईल फालतूचं. नियमात 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 जरा जरा हार्ड वाटतं. पेरिफेरी म्हणजे मर्यादाच. मर्यादा शब्द असा माहिती आहे त्यांना, मर्यादा माहिती आहे त्यांना. त्याच्या मर्यादेतच राहिलं पाहिजे. आणि फिक्स असे स्क्रू फिक्स असतात ना, नाही तर मग त्याची फेक नुकसान करेल. हां, जॅझ और इवन वर्स दॅन दॅट कुड बी. मला जॅझ समजतच नाही, वाहतच जातं कुठे. हाँ, पहले इनको सरगम सुना दीजिए. फर्स्ट ही विल play all the 12 notes which are used in Bhairavi, and then you see how he keeps to them. He keeps to that rule, that way. Wow. It's the heart chakra. It's the heart chakra of Shiva. मध्ये आहे ना विषय बोलायचं तुम्हाला त्याच्या गाण्यात, तो मी माझ्या लक्षात आलं.
खूबसूरत बात थी। हाँ।
The surrendering, you see, as Islam is surrender. Islam is the surrender.
क्या बात। हाँ हाँ